Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to record audio call in Discord using OBS. Okay. You can see the default device, which is here. You can Okay, I'll just stop talking right here. You'll be able to listen what I was talking. Here and if I talk, it will be recorded in your OBS. Okay. So what I'm going to do is you can just simply record the volume you want. Okay. So I hope you guys understand how you can record. Let me show you guys how you can record. So I hope you guys understand how you can do this. It was very easy and simple thing to do. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.